Hey, what's up, Herd? I'm back with another BOOKUSD tutorial, and today, guys, we're going to show you how to repay your troves inside of BOOKUSD.com. There has been some confusion on how to do that, so I want to show you how to do that in this video. So first and foremost, guys, go to app.bookusd.com. That's app.bookusd.com, and where you've set up your trove initially. And if you've not set up any troves at all you have to do is hit, if you have a book balance, you can hit max here and then borrow against that. But what I'd like to do right now is actually refresh this and show you how I would repay this, this loan here. So we'll hit manage trove, and currently I'm borrowing 1,431, and I have some change here as well. And that's due to the borrow fee. When I initially opened this, I borrowed 1,400 BUD tokens, and then there's the small fees that we have included in that, which is the 4% borrow fee, and then the $2 opening of the trove fee as well. But then once we have this open and we want to start paying this back, I don't have any current BUD tokens available, but all you have to do, guys, is change this number in this interface and it'll give you an update. So what I want to do here is actually pretend like I'm going to pay back 400 of this. So what I'm going to do is change the 4 to a 0, and then it's going to tell me how much I need to repay in BUD, and then give me the updated total and new collateral value, and the collateral ratio will go up as well. I have a current collateral ratio of just 272. In fact, I should probably maintenance this a little bit to get back above that 300, so I might go do that. I have some of my my BUD tokens are currently staking in the stability pool now, so I could take those out and put those into this in order to do that. But right now, all I wanted to do is pay back 400 for this example. And if I had that 400 BUD in my balance, I could absolutely submit changes right now, and that would change that from 1,431 to 1,031. And all you have to do is change this number here. So if I refreshed, it's going to give me my initial by hitting the manage trove, how much I owe here, and then changing this number to whatever I'd like to pay back. Will give me that repay debt feature there, and give me a list of the what's going to change, and then just hit submit changes. So that's the quick answer to this question, but let's go ahead and pay some of that debt off by taking some out of the stability pool here. So I'm going to open this. First and foremost, I want to just see how much it's going to take to get me back above that ratio. What if I did, let's just say I repaid 231, that would give me above that 300% ratio, and I think that's a good idea to do right now. Of course, what I could also do is just add what book that I have available. So let's look at that as well. If I just wanted to raise that collateral ratio, and I do have some book from some of the staking here, so if I add that in, it'll get me to 272, but I still have, I still would like to get over that 300. So what I'd like to do is actually add this book in and pay off some of that BUD as well. So let's see if I can get closer to that with the numbers just changing a little bit here. So if I repaid 231 and I added that initial that additional book, I'd be up to 325% collateral ratio, and I think that's a pretty good idea. So what I'm going to do is take out 231 from my BUD total. So I'm going to go open this. I'm going to withdraw 231 BUD tokens, and then I'm going to hit withdraw here, and I'll have to approve this in my wallet. That's also going to collect the book and bus tokens that I've accumulated through the staking process here. All right, now that I've withdrawn some of those, all I have to do is refresh here, go back to manage trove, change this number to that 1,200 number that we typed in before, and we do have that 231 BUD in here, and then we're going to add that max book back in the book balance that I had. In fact, it's going to add some of the book that I received from the staking pool as well. So I have a new collateral ratio of 322%, and I'm going to approve book first. I need to approve it to add it back. All right, and then we're going to refresh one more time to see the new balance here. Now we have a ratio of 318%, because the price is variable at this point, we want to make sure that we're ahead of that. And we are borrowing 1,200 BUD currently, and we have 101,850 is our current collateral, guys, and that is represented here. So I still have 1,200 BUD borrowed, and but I did take some of that out of the stability pool to pay that back. And now we have an updated Trove so that our collateral ratio is completely healthy. Well, that's all I've got for today, guys. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content just like this. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great day, and God bless.